All right, our goal of this lesson is to talk about money. First, before we get into our lesson, we're going to review our coin names and their worth. So, we have a D. This is a coin with a D. Remember, this is a dime. How much are dimes worth? Yes, 10 cents. Remember, when we write anything with money, we have to write our cent sign. Because if I just wrote 10, it could be 10 anything. It could be 10 pieces of candy, 10 pillows, 10, cans of pop. We have to write cents so that others know we're talking about money. 10 cents. Next, we have a circle with our N, which stands for nickels. Now, how much are nickels worth? How much are nickels worth? Yes, 5 cents. So remember, 5, and then we have to write our cent sign. Next, we have our circle with our P, which is a penny. How much is our penny? Yes, 1 cent. 1 cent. And we have to write our C with the line through it for our cents. And finally, we have a circle with the Q, which is our quarter. How much is a quarter worth? Yes, 25 cents. So we have learned about counting. So now we're going to do something fun. We are going to pretend you want to buy a piece of gum. So you're going to buy a piece of gum. And it is 25 cents. So what could you use to buy with it? Like, what could you use to pay the money? You could use 2 dimes, because remember, dimes are worth 10 cents. So we have 10, 20. We need 5 more cents to get to 25. So we could also use a nickel. So we have 10, 20, 25 cents. But you don't have to pay with a dime, 2 dimes, and a nickel. What else could you do? Think about what else you could pay with. So I have an idea. Let's say you only had nickels. Well, you could do a nickel, which is 5 cents. 5 more. So we have 5 cents. So we have 5, 10. We can throw another nickel. 5, 10, 15. We can throw another nickel to add 5 more. And we could do 5, 10, 15, 20. And we just need 1 more nickel. So we have 5 cents, 10 cents, 15 cents, 20 cents. 20 plus 5 more is 25 cents. So let's see how many nickels this is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 nickels. We could pay with 5 nickels. What else could we do? There's 2 more options that I'm thinking of. What else could we do? I want you to think of something else we can do to pay for a piece of gum, which is 25 cents. It doesn't just have to be 5 nickels. What else could we do? Alright, so we could pay with 1 quarter because a quarter is 25 cents. How easy would that be? We would just have to give them the quarter. Another option we could do is we could give them 25 pennies because a penny is worth 1 cent and the gum is worth 25 cents. So we could give them 25 pennies. But I'm going to show you something. What if we didn't have any coins or anything? What if we only had $1? Could we pay with $1? I want you to think about that. Could we pay with $1? Yes, we could. If we paid with $1, we would get 75 cents back because if we paid for with $1, we would, and it's 25 cents, so we subtract. That's how we find out how much cents we would get back. 0 minus 5. We can't do that. So we have to borrow, make the 0 a 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. Then we already did the 10, so we need to make it a 9. 9 minus 2 is 7. And 0 minus 0 is 0. So 75 cents. We would get 75 cents back. Now I'm going to show you we're going to do another example. Okay, let's say that a Skittle is 10 cents. And I gave a quarter, which is 25 cents. How much change would I get back? Well, you would do 25 cents because I gave him 25 cents and it's worth 10 cents. So we're going to subtract 10 cents. What's 5 minus 0? That's right. 5. What's 2 minus 1? Yes, 1. So I would get 15 cents back.